our maths new learning this week, we're going to be looking at different ways of doing addition. So I'm going to start off with some cubes. So I'm going to have the blue ones, and Monkey, you're going to have the white ones. So I'm going to break off 3 cubes. And Monkey, can you break me off some cubes? So if I have 3 cubes and Monkey has 2 cubes, I wonder how many we've got all together. What could we do? Oh, I know. Let's put them on top of each other to put them all together. Shall we count and find out how many we've got all together? So I had 3, Monkey had 2, and now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all together. 3 and 2 equals 5. Okay, Monkey, you can have those ones back. Let's do another one. Oh, I've broken off quite a lot. How many are you going to give me, Monkey? I wonder what our addition number sentence would be for this one. Let's count my cubes first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I've got 6 cubes. How many has Monkey got? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Monkey's got 4. So I've got 6 cubes. We're going to add 4 cubes to it. Shall we find out how many all together? Let's put them all together. Now I already know I've got 6, so I can start from 6. Put 6 in my head. 6. Counting on. 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 10 cubes all together, Monkey. What a great way of adding. Finding the total in 2 groups. Monkey and I have both got some counters each. I wonder how many we've got. Can you count them for me? I wonder if we've both got the same number. Can you help me count them now? I've got blue ones. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many's Monkey got? His aren't in the same pattern as mine. He's put his L out in front of him. Has he got more or less than me? Let's count and find out. You ready, Monkey? Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I've got 5 and Monkey's got 5, we've both got the same number of counters. Now we're going to use these counters for our adding. So I'm going to put mine on the bottom row. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I put them on the bottom row of a tens frame. You can create one of these if you've got a pencil and a ruler. You could draw your own. The tens frame has got 10 squares in it, hasn't it? So I've put 4 counters in my tens frame. Monkey, do you want to add some of your red counters? Okay, I wonder how many Monkey's going to put in. Can you count with him as he puts them in? 1, 2, 3. Now I've got 4 counters and Monkey's got 3 counters. I wonder how many we've got all together. Shall we add them together? So I've got 4. So I know I've got 4. I can put 4 in my head. 4. Let's count on for Monkeys. 5, 6, 7. I had 4. Add Monkeys 3. 4 add 3 all together equals 7. Shall we have another go, Monkey? Okay. It's time, Monkey, you can put yours on first. How would you want to put on, Monkey? Okay, you're going to keep your 3. You're going to add some more. 3, 4, 5. Oh, Monkey's used all 5 of his counters. So Monkey's got 5 and I'm going to put on 1, 2, 3. So Monkey's got 5. Add on my 3 how many altogether? So we're going to count the two groups together on the tens frame. So we know that Monkey put down 5, so we're going to put 5 in your head, Monkey. 5, let's count on my 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 add 3 equals 8 altogether. Well done, Monkey. Monkey, do you remember what this one's called? That's right, it's called the part whole diagram. At the bottom there are 2 circles which we're going to put some counters into. And then when we add them together, we can move our counters up to make the whole number. So should we get our counters, Monkey? You got the red ones. And I've got my blue ones. Put my blue ones over here. Ooh, let's turn it over. Okay, Monkey, how many are you going to put in your part? Yep. So Monkey's put 2 in his part. I'm going to put 3 in my part. So Monkey's got 2, I've got 3. And now we want to add them all together, don't we? So we're going to push them up the line into the hole. So there goes my 3. And there goes Monkey's 2. So we've put them all together to make the hole. So how many have we got all together? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 add 2, 3 add 2, when put together, equals 5. Thanks, Monkey. Another fun way to do addition is to make some pictures. So I've done an underwater scene. I've got some fish. I have got some starfish. This is my seaweed. And these are my crabs. Now the first thing I want to know is how many are there of each? How many fish I've got? So you count them for me. 1, 2, 3. I've got 3 fish. How many starfish are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many crabs? 1, 2. 2 crabs. And how many pieces of seaweed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's lots of things swimming around in my ocean. So my first question to you is, how many starfish are there? Can you remember? 4. That's right, it was 4. I've got 4 starfish. And I want to know how many starfish there are and how many fish there are. So I'm going to put my add sign because I've got my 4 starfish. And I'm going to add my, how many fish? 3 fish. Add my 3 fish. And then I'm going to write the equal sign. So I've got 4 starfish. And I'm going to add my 3 fish to it. So I know I've got 4 that can go in my head. And then I can count on 5, 6, 7. So altogether, I have 7 underwater creatures. 4 starfish, add 3 fish, equals 7 creatures altogether. I wonder how many bits of seaweed I've got. Can you remember? Let's double check and count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6 pieces of seaweed. And this time I'm going to add the crabs on. So I've got 6. I need to put add my plus sign. How many crabs were there am I adding on? 1, 2 crabs. Then I need an equal sign. How many then altogether? Seaweed plus crabs. 6 and 2. So I can put 6 in my head. So put my 6 in my head and then add on my 2. So 6 is in my head. 7, 8. There are 8 altogether. 6 pieces of seaweed plus 2 crabs gives me 8 altogether. There are lots of different ways you could show your learning. You could use objects. So like Monkey and I used cubes. You could have your cubes, 3 and 2 equals 3, 4, 5. 5. So I put my add sign in there so everyone knows I was adding them. Or you could draw pictures. You could do your smiley faces. So 1, 2, 3, add 2 smiley faces, equals, I could draw all 5 of the smiley faces or write the number 5. I'm going to choose to draw them. 3, 4, 5. You could look at the other videos and see other ways that we've used them, using the tens frame, or you could draw your own part whole diagram as well. Lots of different ways you can show your learning. So have a practice at home. Bye.